नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। राम राम राम। सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं व्याहरामि। I welcome you all to class number 19 of Sri Shankara Digvijaya Sara. Like always, let us do our salutations to the Guru Parampara, the Granthakartas, our Gurus and Shankaracharya. Gururev gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro आपादमौलि पर्यन्तं गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूत्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये। We had learned till shloka number 138 in our previous class. We will start with shloka number 139. The words in this shloka are Tatra Maharashtra-mukhe deshe granthan pracharayan prajnatamaha shamita matantaramanaha shanakaihi sanakopamaha agamat Sri Shailam. These are the words in this. This is actually a different chandas in which it is there, and it's an Arya Giti, and hence the number of letters in each pada will be different. So without worrying about that, we will learn this shloka. Few sandhi points. Manashanakaihi will be there. The remaining places, there are no specific points to note on. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Tatra Maharashtra-mukhe deshe.
तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे
ग्रन्थान् प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमः अगमच्छ्रीशैलम् तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे ग्रन्थान् प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमोगमच्छ्रीशैलम् तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे ग्रन्थान् प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः
प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे ग्रन्थान् प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः
शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमोगमच्छ्रीशैलम्
शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमोगमच्छ्रीशैलम् शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमोगमच्छ्रीशैलम्.
So please note, when we join these two, so it will become Shanakais Sanakopamaha, and here again Matantaramana Shanakais Sanakopamo Gamachri Shailam. That is how the entire Vakya will be, or the Ardha Shloka. So we'll have to tell it in this manner. Prithvi, please repeat it once together.
तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे ग्रन्थान् प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमोगमच्छ्रीशैलम्.
Uttamam. Then he went to the countries in Maharashtra and beyond to spread the knowledge of his works, destroying the opposing philosophies piece by piece. Like Sanaka, he reached Sri Shailam. Shankaracharya's next place of visit is Sri Shailam. We will go to the next shloka. The words in this shloka are Pranamat Bhavabija Bharjanam Pranipatya Amrita Sampadarjanam Pramumoda Saha Mallikarjunam Brahmaramba Sachivam Natarjunam. These are the words. Nilima Nanduri, can you repeat after me? Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam.
Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam. Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam.
Pranipatyamrita.
Pranipatyamrita. Pranipatyamrita.
Sampadarjanam.
Sampadarjanam. Sampadarjanam.
Pramumodasaha.
Pramumodasaha. Pramumodasaha.
Mallikarjunam.
Mallikarjunam. Mallikarjunam.
Brahmaramba Sachivam.
Brahmaramba Sachivam. Brahmaramba Sachivam.
Natarjunam.
Natarjunam. Natarjunam.
Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam.
Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam. Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam.
Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam.
Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam. Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam.
Pramumodasa mallikarjunam.
Pramumodasa mallikarjunam. Pramumodasa mallikarjunam.
Brahmaramba sachivannatarjunam.
Brahmaramba sachivam natarjunam. Brahmaramba sachivam natarjunam.
Uttamam, I will teach once again. Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam.
Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam. Pranamadbhava-bija bharjanam.
Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam.
Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam. Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam.
Pramumodasa mallikarjunam.
Pramumodasa mallikarjunam. प्रमुमोद समल्लिकार्जुनम्
भ्रमराम्बा सचिवन्नतार्जुनम्
भ्रमराम्बा सचिवन्नतार्जुनम् भ्रमराम्बा सचिवन्नतार्जुनम्
Please tell it once.
प्रणमद्भवबीजभर्जन् प्रणिपत्यामृतसम्पदार्जनम् प्रमुमोद समल्लिकार्जुनम् भ्रमराम्बा सचिवन्नतार्जुनम् प्रणमद्भवबीजभर्जनम् प्रणिपत्यामृतसम्पदार्जनम् प्रमुमोद समल्लिकार्जुनम् भ्रमराम्बा सचिवन्नतार्जुनम्
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. He was overjoyed to worship Mallikarjuna, the consort of Bhramaramba Sachivam, who, when prayed to, destroys the ignorance and misfortunes of his devotees, and who was also worshipped by Arjuna. So we'll go to the next shloka. The words are Tira Ruhaihi Krishnayaha Tire Avatsit Tirohitoshnayaha Avarjita Trishnayaha Acharyendro Nirasta Karshnayaha. These are the words in this. Again, this is a Giti Chandas or Giti Vritta. So, and hence we will have to tell it the Ardha Shloka wise, and there will be differences in each pada. Prithvi, please repeat after me. A few sandhi points is again Tira Ruhai Krishnaya. So that is one thing. Tira Ruhai Krishnaya Stire Vatsit Tirohitoshnaya Avarjita Trishnaya Acharyendro Nirastakarshnyayaha Tira Ruhai Krishnayaha Tire Vatsit Tirohitoshnaya Avarjita Trishnaya Acharyendraha Nirastakarshnyayaha Tira Ruhai Krishnaya Stire Vatsit Tirohitoshnaya Avarjita Trishnaya Acharyendro Nirastakarshnyayaha
आवर्जित तृष्णाय आचार्येन्द्रो निरस्तकाष्ण्यायाः
Uttamam. Please repeat it once.
तीररुहैः कृष्णाय स्थिरे वात्सीतिरोहितोष्णायाः आवर्जित तृष्णाय आचार्येन्द्रो निरस्तकाष्ण्यायाः तीररुहैः कृष्णाय स्थिरे वात्सीतिरोहितोष्णायाः आवर्जित तृष्णाय आचार्येन्द्रो निरस्तकाष्ण्यायाः
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. The Lord of the teachers, that is Shankara, spent some time on the banks of Krishna river, which are made cool by the bent branches of dark-leaved trees and which destroy the effects of all the sins. So in such a place, Sri Shankaracharya will spend some time. The next shloka. Atha ekadasau athaikadasau yati sarvabhaumah तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् सतीर्थैः घोरात् कलेः गोपित धर्ममागात् गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचल अर्णवौघम्. So गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम्. So this is the complete word we will have to tell in the last pada. Nilima, please repeat after me.
अस्तु महोदय।
अथैकदासौ
अथैकदासौ
यति सार्वभौमः
यति सार्वभौमः
तीर्थानि
सर्वाणि
चरन्
सतीर्थैः
घोरात् कलेः गोपित धर्ममागात्
गोकर्णम्
अभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम् अथैकदासौ यति सार्वभौमः तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् सतीर्थैः
तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् सतीर्थैः
घोरात् कलेर्गोपित धर्ममागात् गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम् अथैकदासौ यति सार्वभौमः तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् सतीर्थैः घोरात् कलेर्गोपित धर्ममागात्
घोरात् कलिर्गोपितधर्ममागात् घोरात् कलिर्गोपितधर्ममागात्
गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम्
गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम् गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम्
Tell it once.
अथैकदासौ यति सार्वभौमः तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् स तीर्थ्यैः घोरात् कलिर्गोपितधर्ममागात् गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम्.
Uttamam. So the last pada, if you want to split it into the sandhis or constraint words, it will become Gokarnam Abhi Rina Abhyarna Chala again Chalarna Chala Rina Chalarna Vaugham Chalarnava Kshimitam Chalarnava Arnava Ogham. That these will be the split. If you want to know what are the words in this, we'll go to the meaning of this. Then one day, Sri Shankara, who had decided to visit all the tirthas, the tirtha kshetras, reached the tirtha which unstained by the darkness of this Kali Yuga, called Gokarna, on the shore of the ocean. So one of the very important tirtha kshetras which is there in Karnataka is Gokarna, and Sri Shankaracharya will visit that place. The next shloka. Words are Virinchina Ambhoruha Nabhavandyam Prapanchanatyadbhuta Sutradharam Tushtava Vamardha Vadhutim Astadushtavalepam Pranaman Mahesham. These are the words. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Virinchina
विरिञ्चिना
Ambhoruhanaabhavandyam
अम्भोरुहनाभवन्द्यम्
Prapanchanatyadbhuta Sutradharam
सूत्रधारम्
Tushtava Vamardha Vadhutim. Okay, astu. Tushtava Vamardha Vadhutimastam Vadhutim Astadushtavalepam Pranaman Mahesham Virinchinaambhoruhanaabhavandyam Prapanchanatyadbhuta Sutradharam Tushtava Vamardha Vadhutimasta Dushtavalepam Pranaman Mahesham Virinchinaambhoruhanaabhavandyam प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारम्
प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारम् प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारम्
तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त
तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त
दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम्
दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम् दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम्
तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम्
तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम् तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम्
उत्तमम्. Tell it once.
विरिञ्चिनाम्भोरुहनाभवन्द्यं प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारम् तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम्
Tamam. He then worshipped Mahesha, Shiva, who is worthy of being worshipped by even Virinchi and Ambhoruhanabha, which is Padmanabha. Ambhoruha also means lotus. The wondrous director of the drama of the world, who, that is Shiva, is the Prapanchanatya Adbhuta Sutradhara, whose wife forms his left half, Vamardha Vadhuhu, and who suppresses the pride of even the wicked or even the Arishad Varga. So Shankaracharya would worship that Shiva in that Punyakshetra of Gokarna. The next shloka. Gunatrayatita vibhavyamitham. Gunatrayatita vibhavyamitham, one word only. Gokarna natham vachasa archayitva tisraha saha ratrihi trijagat pavitre kshetre muda eshaha mudaisha kshipati sma kalam. These are the words in this. A few points to note about the sandhi. Natham va, it will become natham va, natham va. The anuswara or the nasal vakara is what we'll have to tell. Anunasika vakara. Tisrasa, there will be the visarga will change to sakara. Nilima, please repeat after me.
Mahodaya.
Gunatrayatita
Gunatrayatita Gunatrayatita
vibhavyamitham
Vibhavyamitham Vibhavyamitham
Gokarnanatham
Gokarnanatham Gokarnanatham
vachasarchayitva
Vachasarchayitva Vachasarchayitva
tisrasaratrihi
Tisrasaratrihi Tisrasaratrihi
trijagat pavitre
Trijagat pavitre Trijagat pavitre
kshetre mudaisha kshipati
Kshetre mudaisha kshipati Kshetre mudaisha kshipati
smakalam
Smakalam
gunatrayatita vibhavyamitham
Gunatrayatita vibhavyamitham Gunatrayatita vibhavyamitham
Gokarnanatham vachasarchayitva
Gokarnanatham vachasarchayitva Gokarnanatham vachasarchayitva
So when we tell this together, it will become Gokarnanatham Vachasa. So the Anuswara, whatever is there, the Bindu will be changed to a nasal Vakara. Gokarnanatham Vachasarchayitva.
गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा
तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे
तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे
क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम्
क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम् क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम्
गुणत्रयातीतविभाव्यमित्थम्
गुणत्रयातीतविभाव्यमित्थम् गुणत्रयातीतविभाव्यमित्थम्
गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा
गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा
तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे
तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे
क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम्
क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम् क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम्
उत्तमम्. Tell it once.
गुणत्रयातीतविभाव्यमित्थम् गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा तिस्रस्सरात्रिस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे क्षेत्रे मुदैष क्षिपति स्म कालम्
Uttamam. He worshipped with the speech the Lord of Gokarna, who is to be understood as beyond the three gunas, Gunatrayatita. And he gladly, happily spent 3 nights in this Kshetra of Gokarna, which is a land, which is a purifying land or a Pavitra Kshetra, even in the 3 worlds. Trijagat Pavitre, Trihi, Tisraha Ratrihi, Saha Vasatisma. So we'll go to the next shloka. The words in this are Vaikuntha Kailasa Vivarta Bhutam. Again one word. Vaikuntha Kailasa Vivarta Bhutam Harannatagham Harishankarakyam Divyasthalam Deshika Sarvabhaumaha Tirtha Pravasi Na Chirat Ayasit. These are the words. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Only one point to note about the Sandhi. Divya Sthalan Deshika Sarvabhaumaha, it will become. Other things will be as it is. Vaikuntha Kailasa.
Vaikuntha Kailasa, Vaikuntha Kailasa,
Vivarta Bhutam.
Vivarta Bhutam, Vivarta Bhutam,
Harannatagham.
Harannatagham, Harannatagham,
Harishankarakyam.
Harishankarakyam, Harishankarakyam,
Divyasthalam.
Divyasthalam, Divyasthalam,
Deshika Sarvabhaumaha.
Deshika Sarvabhaumaha, Deshika Sarvabhaumaha,
Tirtha Pravasi.
Tirtha Pravasi, Tirtha Pravasi,
Nachiradayasit.
Nachiradayasit, Nachirayadasit.
Once again.
न चिरादयासीत् न चिरादयासीत्
वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम्
वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम् वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम्
हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम्
हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम् हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम्
दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः
दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः
तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत्
तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत् तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत्
वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम्
वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम् वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम्
हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम्
हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम् हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम्
दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः
दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः
तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत्
तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत् तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरायदासीत्
You are
न
missing this
चिरादयासीत्
okay, you can tell it together once.
वैकुण्ठ कैलास विवर्तभूतम् हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यम् दिव्यस्थलं देशिक सार्वभौमः तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत्
Uttamam. After some time during his tour of the Tirtha Kshetras, the emperor of the teachers, that is Deshika Sarvabhaumaha, Shankara, reached a divine place called Harishankarapura, or today which is fondly known as Hariharapura, which is near Sringeri as well, which seems to be as if Vaikuntha and Kailasa combined. Vaikuntha Kailasa Vivarta Bhutam. And this is one place where if you just do a namaskara, the complete papa is removed. Haran Natagham. So with that adjective, the Kavi or Vidyaranya is explaining about the Kshetra Hariharapura. We go to the next shloka. The words in this are Brahmapanodaya Bhidavadanam Advaita Mudramiha Darshayantau Aradhya Devo Harishankarau Saha Dvyarthabhirityarchayati Sma Vagbhihi. Dvyarthabhihi. So though the font depiction may be a little bit confusing, it is basically a dakara, d, and then va and dia, dvyarthabhihi. That is how we'll have to pronounce this word. Nilima, please repeat after me. Brahmapanodaya
भ्रमापनोदाय
Bhidavadanam
भिदावदानां
Advaita Mudramiha
अद्वैतमुद्रामिह
Darshayantau
दर्शयन्तौ
Aradhya Devo
आराध्य देवौ
Harishankarau Saha
हरिशङ्करौ सह हरिशङ्करौ सह
द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति
द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति
स्म वाग्भिः
स्मवाग्भिः
I will repeat the last line again, maybe because of the difficulty in this word. Dvyarthabhihi
द्व्यर्थाभिः
ityarchayati
इत्यर्चयति
smavagbihi
स्मवाग्भिः
भ्रमापनोदायभिदावदानाम्
भ्रमापनोदायभिदावदानाम्
अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ
अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ
आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह
आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह
द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः
द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः
भ्रमापनोदायभिदावदानाम्
भ्रमापनोदायभिदावदानाम्
अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ
अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ
आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह
आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह
द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः
द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः
Please relate once.
भ्रमापनोदायभिदावदानाम् अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः
Uttamam.
महोदय
In order to
I think my display name says Nilima, but my name is Varun.
yeah, sure. In order to correct the misconceptions of the dualists and manifest the stamp of non-dualism, he worshipped the gods Hari and Shankara with verses which could be interpreted in both the ways. So, Dvi-artha, so with two meanings. So the same shloka can be interpreted in two ways. One is with respect to Shiva and one more is with respect to Vishnu. In this way, Shankaracharya would compose a set of around 10 shlokas and he will show that Harihara are not different. So we will, as a sample, there is one shloka which is given in this text, which we'll see in the next shloka. The words in this are Samavahan Kesaritam Varam Yaha Suradvishat Kunjaram Ajaghana Prahladam Ullasitam Adadhanam Panchananam Tam Pranumaha Puranam. These are the words in this shloka. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Tam Varam, it will become Varanyaha. These are the two places where we'll have to note. And Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam. These are the places we'll have to note sandhi. Samavahan.
Samavahan. Samavahan.
Kesaritam varayah.
Kesaritam varayah. Kesaritam varayah.
Suradvishat.
Suradvishat. Suradvishat.
Kunjaramajaghana.
Kunjaramajaghana. Kunjaramajaghana.
Prahladamullasitam.
Prahladamullasitam. Prahladamullasitam.
Adadhanam.
Adadhanam. Adadhanam.
Panchananantam.
Panchananantam. Panchananantam.
Pranumah Puranam.
Pranumah Puranam. Pranumah Puranam.
Samavahan Kesaritam varayah.
Samavahan Kesaritam varayah. Samavahan Kesaritam varayah.
Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana.
Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana. Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana.
Prahladamullasitam.
Prahladamullasitam. Prahladamullasitam.
Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam.
Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam. Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam.
Samavahan Kesaritam varayah.
Samavahan Kesaritam varayah. Samavahan Kesaritam varayah.
Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana.
Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana. Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana.
Prahladamullasitam.
Prahladamullasitam. Prahladamullasitam.
Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam.
Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam. Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam.
Tell it once.
Samavahan Kesaritam varayah. Suradvishat Kunjaramajaghana. Prahladamullasitam. Panchananantam Pranumah Puranam.
Uttamam. As a Vyakhya to this, the Shivapara Vyakhya, I worship that Supreme Lord who wears the Ganga in his hair and delighted the gods and good men by killing the Gajasura, their enemy. So, Suradvishat Kunjaram Ajaghana. So, Shiva, killed the Gajasura, and that is what we will have to do the Anvaya with respect to Shiva. And as a Vishnupara, I worship that immortal Lord who took the form of Narasimha, and saved the Bhakta Prahalada, thereby bringing him joy by killing Hiranyakashipu. So in this way, Shankaracharya would do the stuti of Hari Hara both in the same shloka. In the same way, in the tradition, if you see, even Appaya Dikshita also has composed Harihara Bheda Stutihi, wherein all the verses in this particular set of shlokas, Harihara Bheda Stutihi, we can see Hari and Hara are the same. And with the same shloka, we can see how it can be applied to Hari, that is Vishnu, and to Hara, who is Shiva. We'll go to the next shloka. The words in this are Vrishakapayi Varayoho Saparyam Vachati Mochara Sayeti Tanvan Munipraviraha Muditatmakamaha Mukambikayaha Sadanam Pratasthe. These are the words in this. Only one point of the samasa sandhi will have to note. Yos saparya and yas sadanam, ambika yas sadanam. This is how we'll have to pronounce. Varun, can you please repeat after me? Vrishakapayi varayoh.
वृषाकपायी वरयोः वृषाकपायी वरयोः
Saparyam
सपर्याम्
Vachati mocharasayeti
वाचाति मोचारसयेति तन्वन्
Munipraviraha
मुनिप्रवीरः
Muditatmakamaha
मुदितात्मकामः मूकाम्बिकायाः
Sadanam Pratasthe.
सदनं प्रतस्थे.
So the split for this word is Vacha Atimocha Rasaya iti. Vachati mocha rasayeti tanvan. That's how the split will be. Anyway, Vrishakapayi varayos saparyam
वृषाकपायी वरयोः सपर्याम्
Vachati mocha kshamedam Vachati mocha rasayeti tanvan
वाचाति मोचारसयेति तन्वन्
Munipraviro muditatmakamaha
मुनिप्रवीरो मुदितात्मकामः
Mukambikaya sadanam pratasthe.
मूकाम्बिकायाः सदनं प्रतस्थे
Vrishakapayi varayos saparyam
वृषाकपायी वरयोः सपर्याम्
Vachati mocha rasayeti tanvan
वाचाति मोचारसयेति तन्वन्
Munipraviro muditatmakamaha
मुनिप्रवीरो मुदितात्मकामः
Mukambikaya sadanam pratasthe.
मूकाम्बिकायाः सदनं प्रतस्थे
Please tell it once.
वृषाकपायी वरयोः सपर्याम् वाचाति मोचारसयेति तन्वन् मुनिप्रवीरो मुदितात्मकामः मूकाम्बिकायाः सदनं प्रतस्थे.
Uttamam. Again, Shankara, the prince or the king of the sages, praised Shiva and Vishnu with words that was sweeter than even the juice of banana. Then proceeded onward to the abode of Mukambika, which is again a Tirtha Kshetra in Karnataka, the Kolluru Mukambika Kshetra. We'll go to the next shloka. I think we have time for one more shloka. So the words in this are Uchchavachananda ja Bashpamukchaihi Udgirna Romancham Udara Bhaktihi Ambam Ihapara Kripavalambam Sambhavayan Astuta Nistulam Saha. These are the words in this. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Uchchavachanandaja
Uchchavachanandaja
Bashpamuchaihi
Bashpamuchaihi
Udgirna Romancham
Udgirna romancham
Udara Bhaktihi
Udara bhaktihi
Amba Mihapara
Amba mihapara
Kripavalambam
Kripavalam
Sambhavayannastuta
Sambhavayannastuta
Nistulam Saha
Nistulam saha
Uchchavachanandaja Bashpamuchaihi
Uchchavachanandaja bashpamuchaihi
Udgirna Romanchamudara Bhaktihi
Udgirna romanchamudara bhaktihi
Amba Mihapara Kripavalambam
Amba mihapara kripavalambam
Sambhavayannastuta Nistulam Saha
Sambhavayannastuta nistulam saha
Uchchavachanandaja Bashpamuchaihi
Uchchavachanandaja bashpamuchaihi
Udgirna Romanchamudara Bhaktihi
Udgirna romanchamudara bhaktihi
Amba Mihapara Kripavalambam
Amba mihapara kripavalambam
Sambhavayannastuta Nistulam Saha
Sambhavayannastuta nistulam saha
Tell it once.
Uchchavachanandaja bashpamuchaihi Udgirna romanchamudara bhaktihi Amba mihapara kripavalambam Sambhavayannastuta nistulam saha.
Uttamam. He then spoke with tears of joy, a great outpouring of thrilling bhakti. Udgirna Romancham, the thrilling bhakti, incomparable praise of Mother who extends her ocean-like mercy to all. Apara Kripavalambam, Apara Kripa. So like ocean, her mercy is there to all the beings. With this, let us conclude today's class. I will now chant all the shlokas that we have learned in today's class, and then you can raise your hand. We will do the revision. You can start raising your hands. I'll start telling all the shlokas that we have learned today. Tatra Maharashtramuke deshe granthan pracharayan prajnatamaha Shamita matantara manashanakais sanakopamogamaçhri shailam Pranamadbhava bija bharjanam Pranipatyamrita sampadarjanam Pramumodasa mallikarjunam Bhramaramba sachivannatarjunam Tiraruhaih krishnaya stirevatsitirohitoshnaya Avarjita trishnaya acharyendro nirastakarshnyaya अथैकदासौ यति सार्वभौमः तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् सतीर्थ्यैः घोरात् कलेर्गोपितधर्ममागात् गोकर्णमभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम् विरिञ्चिनाम्भोरुहनाभवन्द्यम् प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारम् दुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्तदुष्टावलेपम् प्रणमन्महेशम् गुणत्रयातीतविभाव्यमित्थम् गोकर्णनाथं वचसार्चयित्वा तिस्रः सरात्रीस्त्रिजगत्पवित्रे क्षेत्रे मुदैषक्षिपति स्म कालम् वैकुण्ठकैलासविवर्तभूतम् हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यं दिव्यस्थलं देशिकसार्वभौमः तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत् भ्रमापनोदायभिधावदानाम् अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः समावहन् केसरितां वराह्यः सुरद्विषत्कुञ्जरमाजघान प्रह्लादमुल्लासितमादधानम् पञ्चाननन्तं प्रणुमः पुराणम् वृषाकपायीवरयोः सपर्यां वाचातिमोचारसयेति तन्वन् मुनिप्रवीरो मुदितात्मकामः मूकाम्बिकायाः सदनं प्रतस्थे उच्चावचानन्दजबाष्पमुच्चैः उत्कीर्णरोमाञ्चमुदारभक्तिः अम्बामिहापारकृपावलम्बां सम्भावयन्नस्तुतनिस्तुलं सः. Okay, I'll call out the names. Bhushini PV.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Namaste.
तत्र महाराष्ट्रमुखे देशे ग्रन्थान् प्रचारयन् प्राज्ञतमः शमितमतान्तरमानः शनकैः सनकोपमोगमच्छीशैलम्.
Uttamam. So to manashanakaihi, the shakara will become a dvitva. This visarga will change to shakara. And prajna, the pronunciation of gnya. So it is not gna or it is not gna, etc. Prajna. So it will yeah. So that way I think otherwise it was well said. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, next Lakshmi Bhushan.
Namaskar sir.
Namaste. Namaste.
प्रणमद्भवबीजभर्जनं प्रणिपत्यामृतसम्भसार्जनं प्रमुमोदोस मल्लिकार्जुनं भ्रमराम्बासचिवं
भ्रमराम्बा सचिवम्
भ्रमराम्बासचिवं नतार्जुनं
Uttamam.
भ्रमराम्बासचिवं नतार्जुनं.
So the word is very simple. Bhramaramba Sachivam. Bhramaramba Sachivam. So these are the two words here. Bhramaramba Sachivam Natarjunam. So, but it is a Sanyukta Akshara. Sorry, it's a Samasa. And hence we'll have to tell it together. So otherwise the pronunciation was good. Dhanyawadaha. Next, Meenakshi Vaikalathur.
नमस्कारः.
Namaste.
तीररुहै कृष्णाय स्थिरे वसत्सि तीररुहै कृष्णाय स्थिरे वात्सीतरोहितोष्णायाः.
No problem.
Correct.
Yeah, I will tell you. No problem. You continue, please.
आवर्जित तृष्णाय आचार्येन्द्रो निरस्तकार्षण्यायाः.
Uttamam. So I'll just tell the few points. So the split is again Krishnayaha Tire Avatsit Tirohitoshnayaha. These are the four words in this. If you see Krishnayaha Tire Avatsit Tirohita. Okay, again if you want Tirohita Ushnayaha. So but while pronouncing we'll have to tell it together. Krishnaya stireva tira ruhai Krishnaya stireva tirohitoshnaya. So it will be easier or simpler. So that is the reason we are using that particular tune. Avarjita trushnaya acharyendro nirastakarshnyaya. So there are two Sanyukta Aksharas here. Shakara, Nakara, Yakara. So sorry, four Sanyukta Aksharas here. So we'll have to pay focus and recite it. So I think with practice you will get it. So it should not be difficult. Okay. So maybe you can tell it again. Try it again.
तीररुहै कृष्णाय तीरे वात्सीतिरोहितोष्णायाः. आवर्जिततृष्णाय आचार्येन्द्रो निरस्तकार्ष्ण्यायाः.
Very good, very good. Now the second time you pronounced it perfectly. Dhanyawada.
Thank you.
Okay. So next, Mohana.
Namaskaram Mahoday. Namo Namaha.
Namaste.
अथैकदासौ यति सार्वभौमः तीर्थानि सर्वाणि चरन् सतीर्थैः घोरात् कलेर्गोपितधर्ममागात् गोकर्णम् अभ्यर्णचलार्णवौघम्.
Uttamam. So tirthyaihi. There is one more yakara. So satir, okay. Not satirthaihi. Satirthyaihi.
Satirthaihi.
No. Tirthya. So basically, the word is satirthya. So of that, the Tritiya Vibhakti will become satirthyaihi.
Satirthaihi.
No, you're stressing on this one. Sati is plain. Okay. Satirthyaihi. Okay.
Satirthyaihi.
Yes. That is the
Satirthyaihi. Satirthyaihi.
Yes. Okay. So apart from that, yeah, it was good pronunciation.
Dhanyawada Mode. Dhanyawada.
Namaste. Okay. Next, Shyamala Ramachandran.
Yes. Namaskara.
Namaste. 143rd shloka.
143. Okay.
Yeah.
विरिञ्चिनाम्बोरुहना भवन्द्यं प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारं तुष्टाववामार्धवधूटिमस्त दुष्टावलेपं प्रणमन्महेशम्.
Uttamam. Only 2 points. So Virinchinambhoruha. So Bha is Mahaprana and Prapancha, it is Cha and not Ja. Maybe I heard it as Prapancha, so it was not clear pronunciation of Chakara. So hence Prapancha Natyadbhuta Sutradharam. Otherwise, well recited. Dhanyavadaha.
प्रपञ्चनाट्याद्भुतसूत्रधारम्.
Yes, yes. Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. Okay, the next shloka. Sudha Krishnamurti. Sudha Krishnamurti, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
Gunatraya.
144th shloka. Yeah.
Yes. Namaskaram.
Namaste.
You're able to. Gunatrayadita vibhavyamitam gokarnanadam vasasat chayitva. 1 minute, sir.
Sure.
Tisratri trijagat pavitre kshetre mudaiksha-shibadismakalam. Correct, sir?
A few points to note. So since this is a Sanyukta Akshara, kshetre mudaishakshipati, so we'll have to give a bit of stress on kshi. So only then because of Sanyukta Akshara. And Gokarnanatham, the Mahapranas, you need to focus a bit on. Otherwise, yeah, we practice, we'll get it right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, next, Uma Narayan.
वैकुण्ठकैलासविवर्तभूतं हरन्नताघं हरिशङ्कराख्यं दिव्यस्थलं देशिकसार्वभौमः तीर्थप्रवासी न चिरादयासीत्.
Beautiful, very well recited. No points that I can tell. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Chakradhar NR. Can you hear us, Chakradhar NR Mahodaya? Can you tell?
Namaskara.
Namaste. 146 shloka.
भ्रमापनोदाय भिदावदानाम् अद्वैतमुद्रामिह दर्शयन्तौ आराध्य देवौ हरिशङ्करौ सह द्व्यर्थाभिरित्यर्चयति स्म वाग्भिः.
Uttamam. Very well recited. Dhanyavadaha.
Just I had one doubt.
Yeah, sure.
In this 146th shloka, in the book at least, the first thing Vidavadanam is written. Here it is Vidavadanam.
Okay. Maybe. So basically, Vadanam. So for the people, that is what it will be. Because I think I referred to the Satika version of in the Sanskritam whatever was published earlier. So I will cross check it once again. And as per my knowledge, I think it was Vidavadanam. We corrected that to be Vidavadanam. I will cross check once again and I will update in the script. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Well said. Okay. Next shloka. Mohana Sundarajan.
Yeah. Ram Mahodaya. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Samavahan kesarita varavyaha varayaha suradishat kunjaramajadana praglada mullasitamadadanam panchananantam pranamah puranam panchananantam pranamah puranam.
Pranuma is the right one. Pranuma Puranam. So the first whatever you said is right. Ajaghana, this Ghakara Mahaprana is one thing which you missed. Otherwise, well said.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad Mahodaya. Dhanyawad.
Namaste. Dhanyawadaha. We'll go to the next shloka. Sachin. Sachin, can you unmute yourself and tell the shloka? Sachin, I have unmuted you. Can you self unmute and tell the shloka?
Ram, sir.
Ram.
वृषाकपायीवरयोः सपर्याम् वाचातिमोचारसयेति तन्वन् मुनिप्रवीरो मुदितात्मकामः मूकाम्बिकायाः सदनं प्रतस्थे.
Uttamam. Very well recited. Dhanyawadaha. Can you also repeat the last shloka? Tell the last shloka.
Yes, sir. उच्चावचानन्दजबाष्पमुच्चैः उद्गीर्णरोमाञ्चमुदारभक्तिः अम्बामिहापारकृपावलम्बां सम्भावयन्नस्तुतनिस्तुलं सः.
Uttamam. Well recited. Dhanyawadaha. Okay. I think with this probably we can conclude today's class. There was one question to help with recitation of the word Dvyarthabhiritya. Okay, so it is basically Divya. The, V, Y. These are the three letters that will be there. Dvyartha, Dvi we say, right? Dvichakrika, etc. Dvi. So Dvi, Artha, Dvyartha, Dvyarthabhirityarchayati is the word for this particular one. Okay, so that was the question, and I will check on this word Bhidavadanam or Vidhavadanam, and I will update it accordingly. So with that, probably we will close today's session. Sarvebhyaha Ram Dhanyawadaha. Bhavashankara Deshika Me Sharanam. Namo Namaha. If you have any questions, queries, you can please write an email to raghu.vyoma@gmail.com. Our class videos will get uploaded onto YouTube through Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala channel. You will get a notification if you have subscribed, so you can start practicing it. And the material, the presentation, other things will be uploaded onto sanskritfromhome.in web page under the Sri Shankar Digvijaya Sara course page. Kindly refer to all these and continue the learning. We will meet again on next Wednesday. Namo Namaha. Ram.